What's going on, guys? For today's video, we're going to be doing another live cop, and I got my girlfriend Ashley in the video again for today. We're going to be trying to get the motion logo, which we already know is going to be an L, but I figured I'd try for the video since this is the most hyped week basically of the season. Everyone's waiting for this way more than that cutout box logo. So we're going to try to get a bunch of things today. We got both beanies, the motion logo hoodie obviously, the lighter. I might go for the bike helmet. And there's about like 10, no, they're not 10. There's about like 5 or 6 things that we're going for. But yeah, like I said, we're going to try to get the hoodie, but we're probably going to take an L on the card decline. We also didn't have enough time to fill out the address. So it's already looking pretty rough, like a pretty rough morning. But we're still going to try it for the live cop. But let me get this screen recording going. We got about 2 minutes left until the drop. So I'm going to start this in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now it starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we are now starting the live cop. Not starting the screen recording, sorry. So here we go. We're on the sweatshirts. We're going to try a little bit differently than last week since we took a bunch of L's. Usually this is what I do, is I load on the page like this. I just keep clicking the page and not on the all or the new. But I was more concerned about the Oreos last week. But this week I didn't hear anything about the Oreos. I don't think the Oreos are coming out. I don't think the Air Forces are coming out. Focusing strictly on the motion logo for today. I do want to get it for the personal. I do not want to get it to resell. So we're going to be going for an XL. So I highly doubt we're going to get that XL. But we're going to stay positive. We're going to try to get it. We got 1 minute until drop time. So hopefully we can get this W. Please leave a comment down below if you think we're going to hit this W. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. And let's just get right into this. Alright, so I can't screen record both of them. I'll talk through what she's getting. She's going to be trying to give me a lot of stuff. But like I said, we didn't have time to do the autofill because I just completely forgot about it all week. So it's more than likely going to be an L for both of us. But we're still going to try. Oh man, you're gonna have to ignore the dogs. We got the dogs going in the background because I can't get them to be quiet, so please ignore that, and I am sorry. So let's load these sweatshirts. And there's drop, and there's supposed to be a delayed drop, so we'll see. We're refreshing. If you get it, oh there you go, you got it.
We use gray.
Yeah, just get gray. We're going for the XL. Add to cart. Can't add it to cart, so that's awesome.
I hate that.
Alright, let's go. So basically we already took an L. The shop isn't loading. Yeah, it's just already sold out.
Is it really?
Yeah, already sold out. So let's try to get something at least for these videos. I haven't bought anything from Supreme in such a long time. We're not loading anything right now. I can't even get the view all going. So let's see. Let's go on this new real quick. Basically it's already L, so I don't need to try hard at all right now because it's already sold out instantly.
What do you want me to get the beanie?
Yeah, try to get a beanie. Any color, really. I can't load anything still. Okay, all the motions are sold out, so that's lit. Is black still saying it's in stock? This is probably false.
My God, they're so annoying.
I can't even get anything to
my website,
go.
Yeah, it won't even load for me.
Alright, so that was basically impossible to get the motion logo. That was hilarious. And it looks like all the beanies are sold out. So we're just going to try to get this regular cart going. And I'm not trying my hardest right now, guys.
I love it.
Try to get the lighter if you can. I can't even add the beanie to my cart, which is crazy. Everyone should be off the site by now.
Yeah, it's not loading for me at all.
Alright, so it looks like this is just going to be an L of a video again. But we got the beanie at least in the cart. Not even in the cart. Let's see if we can get that lighter.
There's no lighter and accessories for me.
Does the lighter not drop?
It's not toilet and accessories.
Oh, it looks like the lighter did not drop. So I really don't want to just buy that beanie by itself. That bike helmet is $150, so I'm probably going to pass on that. What about this? I'm trying to get this for the personal. And I can't even add it. No, you don't need to get anything. Alright, so this is like did I just cart a small? I don't need the small. Okay, we got that in there. So let's see. I'm trying to get that free shipping, but obviously it's not going very well. Everything's sold out. And like I said, I'm not even trying basically at this point because if I don't get any of this stuff, I'm not going to be bummed. This is already an L. But okay, I actually wanted this, so we'll try to add this to the cart so we can get that free shipping real quick. And like I said, if I don't get this, I'm no big deal whatsoever. Let's add my card up in here. And let's take this L, even though we got like the easiest stuff to get. Let's see.
Did you get the tie-dye beanie?
Yeah, I don't even know what color I got. Like I said, I'm not even worried too much about this. It looks like we're not even going to be able to secure the W on this either. Okay, we got this little loading bar going. Alright, the anticipation is rising. Are we going to get it? Alright, so we did actually get something. Basically, this is all personal stuff except his hat, but I didn't even want black. I wasn't really paying attention. I was trying to get white. That kind of sucks. I kind of feel like this is going to be a hold item. Can't believe I just spent $200 on bricks, though, so that's kind of upsetting. We did take a major L on this motion. I can't even believe that. That was insane.
Like 2 seconds.
And I didn't see anything updated about the lighter not dropping, so if I missed that, okay, so I'm not seeing it. The Oreos are now officially gone. That's unfortunate, too. So that looks like that was L this season. And yes, the Air Forces are not in stock. Bike helmet is still in stock, but like I said, I did want that, but I don't want to pay $150 on that. So, because like I wasn't really ever going to use that. I was going to sit on my shelf, and like I could justify buying way better accessories for that price. All the beanies are in stock. I mean, not the motion logo, obviously, but those tie-dye ones. So that's probably a big L, but that's probably going to be a hold item for a very long time. And then let's just scroll to the top. People said these were going to do good, but they're all in stock as well, except the gray. But I thought gray was the best color. I did get this pink, and I just realized I did get this in a large, so that's unfortunate. I needed that in a medium. But they had these wild colorways right here that are still in stock in a small. Oh, interesting. Yeah, they have these wild colorways, but I decided to just go ahead and get the pink, but I don't even know if it's going to fit now because I got it in a large. Because I don't think I've seen this type of pink. I thought it'd be cool if I got the pink, so that's why I did that. But yeah, that looks like this appears to be the Live Cop Big L. Let's go see if there's any 12-year-olds selling the motion logo under retail right now so we can go secure the W that way. Alright, so it looks like the hoodies actually sound pretty well considering everyone said it was going to be a brick. How is black the cheapest one right now? So let's see what my XL is sitting at right here. Should I cop for 400? No, I should not cop. Oh, last sale was 300. That's not bad considering it was going to be over 200 bucks after tags. That's not terrible. Let's go see. I kind of feel like the motion logo beanie sold out way quicker than the box logo. Alright, the lowest ask is $1,200 for the yellow, which does not sound accurate, but okay, last sale on the gray though is $300. So they're selling a lot better than what people anticipated them to do. And yeah, like I said, this whole season is just a mess. I've just been completely heartbroken with how fast things have been going. Usually I can secure W's all the time. Even if you watch my unboxings, I usually always get W's. But not anymore, basically. The website is completely broken unless you have a bot. So what did I just do? So I need to, do you know how to get out of this? But anyways, like I said, the website is completely broken now. You basically can only get stuff with a bot. I would love to see if anyone got the motion logo manual. I would just love to see that. So leave that in the comments down below. But before we close out, let's just go check out the motion logo one more time. And there goes those dogs every Thursday on cue. Alright, so even the beanies are doing pretty well. Like $119, which is crazy. How is black only $100? I kind of feel like I should still buy this. If I could get that at like $85, that would be a good hold item, I feel like. But I don't really want to buy anything off of the Devil Stock X right now. But yeah, that's basically the draw. I'm just looking at the prices again. That's so crazy to me. If anyone wants to let this go,
$1,200.
I know. If anyone wants to let this go, let me know, definitely, because I need the yellow. This whole season's just been one giant L, basically. So I'm going to stop the screen recording right here, and that is going to be the end of the Live Cop video. Sorry, this was probably the worst Live Cop in the history of Live Cops. Last week I did when it was like Brick City, and that stuff still sold out, so I tried doing something a little bit more hype. But this was equally as bad. Like, it wasn't even worth trying to go for. At least manual it wasn't, but like I said, if you did get it manual, let me know in the comments down below. Sorry, I got distracted again looking at this. I'm just so angry. But if you did enjoy this video, go check out all my other Supreme videos. I got Palace, FTP, Supreme, all things like that on the channel, so go check them out if you haven't already. I got a couple other live cops if you want to check those out. This is Ashley again. Thank you so much for trying to buy something for me, even though we both took that L. And I will catch you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. We're out.